You give me 6. I take out my shirt right now. Hello. Money can I say hi to people?
Hello. How y'all doing?
So, well going everybody, how are you? How is your day so far? So today is just a day to explore. We're gonna go on an excursion, maybe an excursion today. I don't know yet. Or we just explore Icon Mall for a second, then afterwards we go somewhere else. Or I just do a 1 week vlog in one vlog. That's something that I can do. Yo, that cool, you know, the enigma behind my head back right there. Yeah. So money cannot tell them bye.
I'm right here. Goodbye. It was nice having you all here.
So all going. Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time you hear the rooster them, right? Yeah, so we all go up to the hilltop. The hilltop look marvelous. Mr. Marvelous, to look marvelous. Like the whole space, just like the view. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna just turn the camera to the view right now. I said have a buzz. Wait, 1, 2. It have a buzz. Look on all the rainbow right there, so. So we're up at the country area again to Melissa. They're right there, so my white shirt have a buzz, right? You have a buzz, right Mel? Mel, it have a buzz. What? What do you mean by that?
Between them, you to be in a white. Never
What?
realize it.
Yeah, it's all in a white. Have a buzz. Yo.
There's a beautiful rainbow there.
I know, man. You look nice too, you look beautiful.
Cool, we do that. Hurry so we can take one together.
Jamaica.
People are going to
Live, that is.
hold on.
Yeah, man, over here, that's how we do it in America, you know?
You over Japan, then China, Japan, China,
No, China, Russia,
Africa,
Japan,
Dams Road. You don't hear them?
North Korea, man, South Korea over there. You want me to pick out that, you know?
No, you're good, man. No insurance. Yeah, we live, man.
You know, have a party.
How they know? We are star now. How do you man? Come on. The body don't know. Man, you don't know we have them. Why them see you? You know?
So now, all the male people them come up here, so I will just walk down the hill now. See Melissa, yeah?
You're not seeing me.
Yeah, look, see. I have a buzz.
Not yet.
What do you mean by not yet? If I drop down the hill, they don't laugh at me. No?
No, sir.
You're gonna make me drop.
No, sir. Come back.
What?
You catch me. Me hate you. What's that? Come catch me. Come. Take time. Now, you go just drop on your back here and go back. Come on, something. Don't give me the phone. Want to take off the bus? Take time. Maybe take off the bus. Take off the bus.
Oh boy.
Give me, don't sit down on the ground. Sit down there, Basi. Come on. I'll try something still a video. Wait. Give me a hand. Don't want to permanent, not do that, not do that. That make me afraid. It's a whole lot of shaky cookie.
Huh?
Look, yeah baby? Yeah baby? I'm coming. Go, yeah baby? Tomorrow baby, everybody. Hello big baby. I see my roll away.
Throughout the whole of this smell just a drop down in whole of tree them. She dropped about 10 times just a while ago. What? Speak for yourself?
Tomorrow there. Bro, like look.
What?
If we ever drop, everybody gonna listen.
Have a buzz.
What try to say?
Yeah.
Okay, kind of skinny. Where we are going next? We not go down. Oh, so we not. I say journey top.
I know my tree no be the same, baby.
Finally, not to get no mango.
What?
Not to get no mango, but it is coming. Right?
Yeah, it have a buzz.
Watch it. Can't even come through bush.
What?
You can't even come through bush. Come on, can you make them a lesson?
Let me listen. What? Oh, good man. They have a buzz.
That is nice.
For true.
Wow, I
Mel.
love this mango tree.
No, see what I wash it.
Nothing is funny, y'all know.
Does that say? I want them eat worm. Yo, with a tremble. You won't be afraid of me nearly dead.
She alone, me a bad man, you know.
What side you get?
Me a bad man, man.
Then I expect for ground.
So now go.
Go away. You're crazy. How does walk out this?
Under your car. No, I hear it is.
You're just pig. Mercy pig. Must know who wants a pig. To them there.
Come here.
Check it. Me I go on this way.
Hi, piggies.
Hey, come on. I'm at the pig.
Hi, piggies. Hi, piggies.
Worry, Kyle. But see when people roll off, I you know. But see, I'm going to walk up there to go to the front.
But that mango fan.
You want to go find that? Go do it.
Sweet. I'm gonna push you first.
No, no.
Straight email. Hey, I put him in the goal.
Come sit down back.
Come on, come show him. Come put down here. Come push with him. Mark, come in, go show me. Mark, go show him out. Show him. Hey, Benny.
Dead fish are so far, you want to go?
I'm going to pick him. Alright, catch him. Ready? Catch my man, copy like tree. Benny! Catch him, what my man, copy like tree. Benny! Catch him!
Look how far you man.
Brother, look there.
Me see man.
Yeah, how does all the way? How does it ever go, you know?
Leave one, pick it up, man. Come here, daddy.
Go on, man.
Gio, come here, I'm short. One reel, boss. One reel.
So it's the other day now, and just I don't wanna move. So me and Melissa there with our family. I'm gonna pick apple in our tree now, so I'm just showing some of that.
So what has me just looking Then come down the man.
My
Even.
Ooh. Me. Oh. Don't put up on the camera. Yeah. Look. Sweet man.
Hey, shut up, man.
Come on.
From not on. And them sweet man.
Bring juice.
So come up here one day, man. On church up here? What kind of church? So when I look nice. Tired already? Yeah. Every time I feel I go down the hill. And hopefully it's not drop. Sitting there, man.
So I'll be at the mango minute.
Next thing when I edit this, I see some Duffy and dice. What? Really? It's just every time.
Mama, you know, get nothing out of here, man. You want to stop? You want to stop? Hold on, you know.
When me I get the 6.
No matter with it.
Yeah, but
Go on. When I get the 6, you have to catch it, man. Go on, go on. Mel nah give me 6, you know, that I first thing. What?
Sit down.
You nah give me 6. You know. Mel, you nah give me 6, brother. If you give me 6, I take out my shot right now.
My chance for you is coming on. Oh, yeah, 6.
I give me 6 abra, yeah.
Yeah. One, that's it, no. Let me go no further, you know.
I get 6 and done.
You hold it and me catch you. 6. Come, smart, be 6, I go and get 6. Yeah.
Al.
You're playing, let's go ahead, just play.
Wait a
One more,
sec.
you're gone.
One more.
One more, you're gone. And the game can't rock till the puppet come in, you know, or one hour to come in. And 10 me and the other.
That's it.
What the?
5. Come puppet. we are 10, me and Keanu got 10. 6. Just say I'm put it back again. From my chat, what if I didn't come up there, you know? Then go 6.
I want 3 that man.
1, 3.
Anytime.
Alright, you get 1, but we still give you 6. We still give you 6.
You go on, you still get 6.
Still get 6. Still get 6.
My turn to get 6 now. Yeah?
Alright. One next 5 that. 2, 6 I get this.
Why are you, Mr. Hot?
You ain't never 6 more, but you talk on camera, or you did 6.
Well,
Or you want 6.
well.